I think what makes a successful shop is its capability to stay current with the changing technologies. The AL439 allows me to be so much more versatile. A customer comes in, complains, I could run right out to the car and just plug in. The AL439 has all the capabilities of the 519, but the charging system capability is something that I never imagined you could have in something so compact. You don't even have to get out of the car to do a full charging system check. It's more the convenience than anything else versus having a large meter that I have to lug around.